Ashaya and helpmate to Brother Michael Israel of Straitway Nashville. I'm also his personal chef, by the way. Tonight I am making his favorite dish, which is chicken Alfredo with roasted broccoli. And really quick, if you are still purchasing Alfredo sauce, shame on you, because Alfredo sauce is so easy to make. All I use is cream cheese, grass-fed butter, Parmesan cheese, and heavy cream. And it just comes together almost instantly, okay? I also put garlic, fresh garlic in here. I grate some fresh garlic, and if you were in this kitchen, you would smell everything that's in here. And it just smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and again, it is his favorite dish, okay? Also, what we have over here is some roasted pulled chicken that I will be adding to the sauce. What I'm now gonna do is just slide some olive oil on there, just drizzle it on, no set amount. So next, I'm gonna add in my seasoning blend. And this is so simple. It's just salt, pepper, Kinder's seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, but it's like tiny bits of flavor bomb garlic, and you need this in garlic. Any roasted vegetables, you want to use this. A little bit of adobo, Italian seasoning, paprika, and granulated garlic. For many of you, you know that we are a grain-free community, and we have a website at www.householdherbs.com where you can download all of our recipes that are grain-free. In that recipe book, I talk about ingredients and I talk about alternatives and substitutes for pasta. This is one that I endorse. We love this brand. It is Barilla. And the main ingredient is chickpea flour. So definitely check out our website, download that free, grain-free recipe book, and get yourself some Barilla chickpea pasta.
Shalom Saints, my name is Sister Madison. I'm the eldest daughter of Michael Israel, Straitway Nashville.
I'm Sister Samantha, youngest of Michael Israel.
I'm Mariana and I'm the daughter of Brother Umbre.
My name is Tali and I'm the daughter of Brother Umbre and I'm 5. And I love Rosie.
What's your name? And who's that?
Baby.
That's your baby brother?
Yes.
Is your daddy Brother Umbre?
Daddy and Ari, Tali, and Sheila, and Baby, and Daddy.
Those are all daddy's children?
Yeah. Baby. Now I'm eating. My name is Tim. My name is Noah. I'm Amelia. I'm Mila. I'm Israel.
Shalom and blessings. I'm Sister Crystal from Straitway Nashville.